Okay, we got loser semi starting. Cuban Misfire Crisis versus Speder6. Oh god. Alright, what kind of stage bans are we looking for? I know Devin's going the... He said he's going the Maple. Specifically for fighting me. Maple's the little ferret.
Punchy?
Yeah, little,
I hate Maple.
little ferret leaf creature.
I hate everything that isn't Loxodon. Loxodon's the greatest character with ever.
Dude, you have the best opinions I've ever heard. Did you hear this, man? Loxodon. There we go. That was a bad dab. You can't see it on this player cam. We don't have commentator cam, but that was a horrible dab on my part. Really showing my age there. I've been married for 7 years. Yeah. When did you say you were born? 2009? 2000, oh, yeah. We had this conversation earlier. He was sad because school was canceled. I'm happy. He's going to become a physicist.
No, I'm going to become a history.
Alright, so far keeping it even.
Yeah, I honestly don't know what's happening.
Alright, so you got Big Man Crag, you got Little Rat.
What about Crag? I think he's bully. I don't like that.
He's just good. He's a heavy, but his frame data feels like a normal character. Alright, there's down smash on ledge, hanging a little bit too long there.
I don't know if it was just because I was bad playing against Speder. It felt like melee box frame data did.
Yeah, no, his frame data is honestly really good. He's just a big heavy that has good frame data. And then, of course, Rock is a projectile. Alright. Spike with the forward air. That is a move that would be instantly banned if it was in ultimate. Wait for forward air. Imagine Sheik forward air, but it's spikes.
Oh, that sounds horrible.
This is just a good move.
Dude, I think literally any rival character would be this tier.
Oh, absolutely. All of these characters. He would just be the best character in the
I would
game.
have Gold. Actually, no, Steve would still outclass him just because of
True.
Actually, no, Crag. If they had Crag, it would be better.
I still think Lox would beat Steve. He's got range. Like, he's like Sephiroth on
Crag.
Yeah, on crack.
On anabolics.
Yeah. He's a heavy, he would be heavier than Bowser.
Yeah, you would. Bowser's really cool. Bowser doesn't die.
Imagine Belmont range with Bowser weight.
No, they should have lost the hand.
That was nice. That was nice. Just give him a Pyrus IV. It's just a huge axe. Covers the entire platform. For like 5 seconds. Yeah, spin dash. Yeah, no, that's Craig though. He has that. That's IV.
Yeah, but I hate Craig.
And it's got armor too.
I don't like Craig, so...
Nah, Craig is a real one. I like watching Craig.
Who's the one guy that Xbox smoke clouds and makes
that's Boyfriend. He is cool. Stealth-based character and a flat fighter. I think the only one, honestly. Like the fact that he can just go invisible. He has item powers.
Yeah. he has
I'm pretty sure that was banned in Ultimate. Alright, so we are last stock.
Push that bar.
I think any character put into brawl.
Oh, absolutely. I think Maple is definitely one.
Who's the best character?
You know, there isn't really a best character in the game. There's maybe like contenders for top 4, top 5, but oh, and there it is. Spike seals the deal there. You really needed that. We're getting little high fives here.
I'm still here.
Update the score there. All right, they're locking in.
Forsberg, start playing Forsberg.
Oh, we got Forsberg over there. All right, we're going to Forest. Interesting that Devon is open. This is the notoriously a really good frag stage. Yeah, the blast zones on the side are so short. And Maple, other than like maybe a down smash, forward smash, doesn't have much that kills off the side, whereas Craig has that. And it kills ridiculously early on the side here. Nice. Nice down air. With this the moving platform. Yeah, without wave landing, it would definitely be an annoying platform. With wave landing, it does open up some really interesting movement and combo opportunities. And while the side blast zones are a little short, they're not as bad as WarioWare. Yeah, there's not a lot of stages that make it past the. Yeah, that's down in city. Yeah, they have the side platforms and then they have the one in the center that goes up and down. No, they're pretty big. Don't move very often, and they move very slow.
This one
I would love to see a stage like this, though. That flows. Honestly, Ultimate does need some smaller stages. Alright, goes for the up air. I was expecting the B, but up air works too.
I would know.
There's my kick. Gotta find this.
Yes, it is a very good move.
I like that.
Powerful, fast. Yeah, it's pretty safe on the field too. Yeah, no, that's a good comparison. I would say it's even a little bit better than Instinct because you can do it point blank in somebody's face and still get away with it. I think it's like -2 line shield.
I'm looking at
And Maple makes back. No. Right. So that's game 2 to Speder.
This is your resignation.
Yeah, he's a businessman. So, interesting story, right?
Is it because you broke your webcam?
Yes, it's because I broke my webcam. I had a different webcam that I was packing up for this event, and then I broke it. And it was widescreen, so it would get fisheye lens, you could see everybody. So I had to switch over to this one. And it's very focused. It's meant to be one person. So hopefully, hopefully I win the tournament tonight. I can get some money and get a new webcam. That's well. Do you have a PC at home?
I have another.
Yeah. There you go.
What's that fire?
Fair enough. It's going to be a glorious day when the Rivals of Easter is in the public school system.
We just got Marvel Rivals.
There's my kick.
That's Marvel Rivals interesting. I'm kind of surprised that they have it because it does take a pretty adept machine to run that game, doesn't it? Do you know what they got in the PCs?
I don't even know. I was hearing people
That is insane. That does sound like a nice game. Man, really investing. Is that North Dakota? Good on them.
I would
Yeah, I haven't been hearing good things about them recently.
What's that fire?
Talk about the game. We're talking 2 stars.
I mean, we're still very even. This whole set's very even. Kevin doesn't. really have a name right now. He's waiting for
There's my quick.
oh, what's his name? Sylvanos. That's who he was playing in Rivals 1. It's like a wolf snake, sort of, like a forest wolf guardian.
How does he work?
So he has some interesting. He has crazy range. His down tilt is like. Boy, what would you compare it to? No, it covers about a quarter of. If it's the same as in Rivals 1, it would cover about a quarter of front wall. It's really good range. His up smash would cover perhaps even the top flat here. Yeah, no, it's a big move. His fault is getting really close to him and stuffing him out. So he's got great tools for keeping you at that mid-range. Like a min-min. Well, a cool min-min. They're not going to make a min-min like a min-min. But think of that same game plan where you're trying to keep them at kind of like the mid-range. You can hit them, they can't hit you, but if you get in, you kind of mess with them. That was really good. That was really good.
I'm still here.
Alright, so this is game point for Devin. Yeah, Noxie has some nice plays here.
I can beat him. JV
Well, you
for
proved
every
it
game.
tonight. You took a game. Is that the first time you've taken a game off of Zach?
Yeah.
Nice. Nice stuff.
Literally the only ever time I've taken a game off of anybody was when I was playing against Daniel.
And you did it with Locks too?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
It was when Galaxy came out, so he was new to the character.
I
but
think
still.
Zach has the most experience against Locks. I play him all the time.
That's why I want to learn different characters. I'm like, Locks is only because of you. You're not even in the game. They just all know how to play against Locks.
Well, that's the nice thing about this game, though, is there's a lot of expression. I know some Locks players, they play a lot more aggressive than shooting gun. They focus on the movement, wave landing.
I play aggressive, that's just because you don't have to, like,
Oh, yeah, you play Falcon. Yeah. Those are two characters that are like whip bumpers. They have to be the one taking initiative. They don't have projectiles.
That's the whole point of it. You're supposed to be
Alright, let's see if he takes this first block. It's gonna be Devin. Yep. Alright, so that's setting him up nicely here for 3-1. We'll see if Zach's able to turn it up here.
I believe in Zach. It's pretty good.
He did it at Watching VOD.
What's that fire? There's my.
Oh, so close to taking that spot there.
There's my.
Nice command grab. I would say that that's the true speeder specialist, the command grab. He's very good at doing that.
He can grab with his, like, box or whatever.
Correct, yeah.
Crazy.
So if he's in the air and he does it, it's a command grab. Yeah, think of almost like Donkey Kong, where he can grab you. He can walk a little bit. It's not as crazy as Ultimate Donkey Kong, but you can get combos off of it. You DI in when he's doing like a forward throw or an up throw. You can get a forward air or an up air, depending on DI. All of the characters have moves that mix you up. If you use the wrong DI option, it's kind of like the melee.
What's that fire?
The melee thought process where the combos are more intense, the hit stun is longer, but you have more
There's my.
DI. You're able to control where you're going more than an ultimate.
Why don't you have these guys making next Smash game?
This is the next Smash game. You just don't know it yet.
It would be so much, dude. Smash would actually come back if it made a next Smash game.
Put Mario on this.
What's that fire?
Can they put Joker?
Joker would make every kid better.
Actually, no, they'll get the 5 collab players. About that?
I do not know that.
Almost every game is collab with always within a year's span. That's the only one that's actually been on.
Alright, maybe we don't want Joker in this game.
I'm scared. You know the new Sonic Racing game?
I have seen it.
I'm scared because Joker added off of it. Joker's added.
Dude, why they put Persona in Sonic Racing?
Miku and SpongeBob.
Alright, that's cool. I did
That's
see that. Okay, there we go. Second stack.
Steve and the
Nice parry on the lily there. Oh, that was a pretty
How is
essential
Maple
up
winning
air.
this one? Maple's really good.
Maple is very light. It's all about finding the right hits there. And there's the right hit.
0%.
Last stock, yeah.
Could be a lot.
Could be. This is lose semi. Whoever loses this gets fifth. I believe so. Close here. We're really seeing Devin taking some momentum here.
He actually.
Jab reset.
Oh my god.
Down.
How is he doing this?
Oh, it's such a nice reaction. Devin has the best reactions.
What is he doing?
I mean, he's got the percent lead, so this is reminiscent of his set versus Andy Vivo. Is he gonna regret it though? That's the question. Oh, he regrets it!
How did I not make it?
Oh,
Game 5.
called it.
This is your
Five.
designation.
Evidently, Devin wants fifth.
Dude, this shit's making me realize I should play this game more, dude.
It's a good game.
Alright, fuck.
Yeah, he owns the game.
I didn't know if you could play more dog.
I have to practice my actual like keyboard games for school.
Oh, he's rubbing the stash.
Sorry.
What are we get? Are we doing Harbor?
I only play.
We're going Harbor, aren't we? All right, here we go. We decided to go for the biggest stage in the game. This is gonna be a long one, folks. Buckle in. All right, game 5.
Hit the Tony Stark.
Jarvis in hands.
There's my
All right, nice start off from Speeder here.
There's my
Dude, I got a feeling that Devin's gonna regret trolling in game 4.
Dude, if he actually.
I've got a feeling.
I was gonna quit.
He's getting the good reads.
Oh my god. Dude, he's at flow state.
He is.
There's my creep.
Oh, trade on the cordial.
What's another word for flow state? He's locked.
Yeah.
He's locked.
He's liquid.
He's liquid.
He's flowing.
I know it. I'm as hard as
No!
I'm as solid as
Is that Zach's new motto?
I mean, he does throw rocks.
He does.
I'm as solid as a snake.
What's that fire?
Oh! Oh, I forgot that's a strat.
He can make that back.
His recovery without, preferably. His recovery without, pillar is still insane.
Yeah. Can't he like jump off the rock after they drop like rock or whatever?
No, he can't jump off of his rock. But what he can do is if he grabs it on pillar, he can throw it, side B it, and then jump cancel the side B because it hit the rock. It is very good. It is a little bit harder to pull off there. Alright, so we see Devin taking first stock there.
He could jump off the rock. He could probably be the best character in the game.
We don't want another Steve.
I'm not even lying. He could like, it wouldn't stay still. It would like move, and that'd be sick as hell too though.
Alright, we're keeping it even. We're keeping it even.
If he threw it and then he's going with the momentum, jumps up and forwards there. That'd be actually
Alright, we
insane.
have some crazy ideas coming over here from
Dude, it's fine. I'm just doing anybody said.
Please no, I don't want any more characters that can jump on blocks.
Okay, it's gonna be moving. So
You're gonna give me
slightly less-
PTSD.
Okay, you get 5 million headlines.
You know, Zach was doing so good at the beginning of this. We're seeing momentum shift. We're seeing it shift more towards Devin here.
Is he burning out?
Well, Devin's slowing down the game. I don't know if that's here.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
He's not engaging
But
as
he
much.
got in though. He got off of that.
Oh, that's good. That's good. He is wrapped. Yeah, that's a wrap.
One engage, he like gets like 50%.
Craig has really good damage. He's a big guy.
How much does the forward do?
I don't know. I'm not a Craig main. Oh, covers ledge.
Is that
That is F smash.
that was more like a
No, it's side
up
B.
air.
Side
No, up
B.
air. You know up air?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it looks more like a decent side B.
They
Alright,
look the
Kevin's
exact
gonna react to that every single time.
They look the exact same time. Here these.
Okay, that should be death. Yeah, that's barely death. In purple, so evidently there was some sort of universe. 1 in a billion. AS right now. Alright, I swear if Zach ends this entire set off with a forward smash. Yeah. This mic is gonna peak.
In a happy jolly Christmas day.
Oh, that is so unfortunate. He dodged the front hit, but got hit by the back hit of that down smash.
There's my
We are coming down the last hit. Like the percents are slowly climbing.
I'm watching some of the little things.
Alright, we got a ledge trap situation here.
No, he hits back. You gotta go back. Oh no.
He's still in disadvantage here.
What's that five?
The stage control.
And there's a very bad. Oh,
He's
yeah.
dead. Get back to neutral. Wait.
Though
Oh my
honestly,
There's my
all Zach needs is
one grab, probably.
one something. Oh,
One literally
especially now.
anything. Oh my god.
I think down smash will kill him.
It's literally equal.
It is. There it is.
Oh my god.
There's my
That's it. That is it. Congratulations.
This is your resignation.
I knew he was gonna regret it.
Brought it back.
There it is.
Yo, nice, good shit.
I need
bro.
water.